What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Fake Boujie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all this beautiful hair that I got from Ossileehair company. I'm going to be doing a step-by-step of how I installed it. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's go. So as I said, I was sent over a nice wig from Ossileehair company. They sent this wig cap and these cute eyelashes, which I will be installing at the end of the video. And this is the wig. It is a 13x6 lace frontal Brazilian hair, and I absolutely love it. It's 28 inches. It has the three prongs on the inside to make sure it is secure. And I've already put on my cap, but the bonnet clearly left some residue, so I'm gonna cover that up. Then I'm going right in with my Ghost Bond. Love it. Actually, wait, yeah, this is Ghost Bond, not Bold Hold. And so I just let that dry a little bit, and then I go in with a second coat. Now I should have done one coat because I'm only doing this hair for a week, but yeah, so just one coat per week of how long you want to wear the hair, put it like that. And so I go over it with the blow dryer in the end just to make sure it's like completely dry. I'm gonna put some mousse on the hair just to pull everything back. You don't want any hairs in your way when you actually like try to melt it down. And as you can see from when I bleached the knots, I kind of messed up a little bit, but by the end of the video you all will see how I hit it. Like, you really can't tell. And then if necessary, you can just use some spray to cover it up. But now, so after I use the glue to secure it and I put it in place, I'm going to go over the sides with my melting spray that I got from Wig Dealer, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It works wonders. And so I'm just spraying that on each side and then going back over it with my blow dryer just to make sure it's completely secure. After I get done with that, I'm just going to wrap it just to hold everything in place. And this is a wrap. I also got this from Wig Dealer. Y'all can find these anywhere. They're on like Amazon and stuff too. And you have to pull these like really tight if you want to make sure it's being held in place. Like, I have to retie mine because if it's not hurting, it's not tight enough. And because this hair is recently washed, I mean, it was dry, but I just wanted to get some of the kinks out, just make sure it was, you know, just in a better form to be flat ironed. So I'm hot brushing it, I guess, using a paddle brush in my blow dryer, which if you have that brush that has like the blow dryer connected to it, I need to get one of those. That would have been perfect for this. And then I'm going over it with the comb, just making sure it's like fully detangled and everything is great and ready to go for that flat iron, because you want it to be seamless. You want it to be super flat and straight. So because the top is a little bumpy, I'm just going to put my scarf on and flat iron the bottom half of the hair, and I'm just going to do each side, going all the way down and just going over it a couple times just to make sure it is sleek and smooth. And I didn't use any like heat protectant or any gloss or anything on it, just because of the density. It's 180 density, so it's a little more hair, so I don't want it to be you know, just too much. And so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut some of my lace. And even though it looks like I'm cutting it straight, I can promise you all I'm doing it in a zigzag. This is just in fast motion, so never cut it straight. You always want to do a zigzag pattern to hide it. So after that, I'm going to go in with my electric hot comb and just pull some of that hair back. And I'm also going to use my melting spray right here too. It doesn't make it hard, it just gets it out of the way, because I want it to be a clear like transition from the hair to my baby hairs. And as you all know, I do not pluck my parts because I always put a hole in the lace, so I just pull it out. And then I'm going to use some of this spray to get my part together. And this is the same spray that I was saying that you all could use, you know, if you mess up your lace on the sides. But after you do your baby hair, like, that should be the last step for sure. So now that I'm done with that, and I already used my wax stick to get the little frizzy hairs down at the top, I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb and pull out some little baby hairs. And there were some already on the wig, but I just wanted to, you know, just go ahead and pull some extras out. and I'm going to curl it with my little mini flat iron. And so the first time I curl it, I'm just getting like a curl formed, and then I go in and actually curl it, as you all can see now, and actually form curls, because that's what makes it easier when you actually go in to do the baby hairs. And I start them off long because sometimes, you know, you might want the Jada Wade baby hairs, and then other times, you know, you just might want some little regular basic little simple baby hairs, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut them a little shorter and just go in. And baby hairs take time. You just got to keep spraying that brush with a melting spray or freeze spray, and just keep going in and combing them until they are perfect. And so I'm going to go back over this part with the hot comb again. And then after that, I did end up tying this wig dealer wrap back on my head, just to make sure everything is laying down and melted the way I want it to be. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. This hair is like amazingly soft. Like, even as I'm doing this voiceover right now, I'm just stroking my hands through it. It is so incredibly soft. I love this hair. It's a really great length, 28 inches. And I love that they kind of cut layers into it too. And it's just so pretty. I love this hair, y'all. Love, love, love it. It's so flowy, very easy to manage. I know that a lot of times straight hair, it'll get like kinky in the nape of your neck. I'm not having an issue like that with this hair. And these are actually the eyelashes that they sent, and I absolutely love the lashes. Thank you, Ossileehair, for the lashes. It's been so long since I've done like a straight hair look, and I absolutely love it. They've definitely made me want to go back to wearing my hair straight. I've been doing like body waves and deep waves like crazy, mostly deep waves, but this is really cute. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like more content like this from me, let me know in the comments below. Any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you all head over to Ossilee's website and get you some hair.